I'm Lindsay Meyer, the LM of Consumer Realm. One of my favorite comfort foods is macaroni and cheese. As we head into the season of cooler weather, we're making 3 variations on this childhood classic. Today's flavors will be French onion, bacon chili and chive, and truffle parmesan. Our base is going to be the Trader Joe's organic white cheddar shells. I've prepared, according to the package instructions, 2 boxes of shells and divided them into 3 bowls. For variation 1, I'm adding 1 large onion that I caramelized with butter and brown sugar. I'll give that a good stir and top it off with some fried onion pieces for crunch. Now, for variation 2, I'll add a couple of slices of cooked chopped bacon, a heaping spoonful of chili onion crunch, and a bunch of chopped chives. That will get a stir, and then I'll move on to the last variation. For the truffle parmesan, I'm going to add a bunch of black truffle oil, and then a good grind of Parmesan cheese and some chopped parsley for freshness. That gets a mix, and I think it's time to give these a try. First up, the caramelized onion. I really like the smokiness. Okay, moving on to the bacon, chili, and chive. The bacon really gives it a nice crunch. All right, and lastly, truffle parmesan. What I like about this one is that you get the nose of the truffle as soon as you're about to take a bite. There you have it, 3 new takes on mac and cheese. Please like this video and share with a mac and cheese fan in your life. See you next time.